Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my June highlights using this kit from Sadie Stickers, June 2021. I love this kit so much, and it is in silver foil. And that is the deco sheet. And this last little piece there, the decorative side, I ended up laying it down the wrong way, but don't worry, I will go back and fix it eventually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay everything down. I'll probably play some music during this part, and I will come back for the day by days. So I am going to go ahead and place down the holidays. So I'm marking Father's Day, and I only have one deco sheet, so I am going to make it work. So I'm just cutting it in half, and I'm going to place that for the 19th, and I'm going to mark Juneteenth. These scripts are from the kit, came with the kit. Here I'm marking Pride Day and adding some deco on the corners. Next time I think I'm going to add the decorations first, and then I'll go back and put the numbers. So I'm going to be taking this Hello Summer script from Amazing and Crazy, a freebie that I had to mark summer. And on the second, I marked my cat's surgery. I'm layering some flowers behind this frame. I thought that would be so cute. And I'm marking that I shipped some Etsy orders, and I used a stem deco from Sadie's stickers in silver just to go behind that. Adding in some more deco here. I did some retail therapy on the 7th. I also got my nails done on the 9th. So when I put this down, I wish I would have put just the birthdays that I had down instead of listing other things, but I just scooted it over and it all worked out. So on the 10th, I did some film and editing, and I'm just marking that with a circle icon or a circle from the kit and a camera from Paper Muse Craft. I also put a little starfish there. On the 14th, I had to pack and ship orders again before our vacay, which I'm marking now on the 15th with some deco from the kit and a silver stem deco from Sadie stickers, and I'm marking that we went to Aquatica. And I did make these scripts myself because I just wanted it to be as clean and neat as possible. So I'm using this little bathing suit from leftover from JK Creates Co. And I'm marking that we went to SeaWorld this day. Pretty much my week for vacay was pretty repetitive, so I didn't want to mark the same thing over again because we went to Aquatica on the 15th and the 16th, and then we went to SeaWorld on the 17th and the 18th, but it's fine. So I'm marking now that I went to the gym, and I guess I'm noticing that I put it in the wrong place, of course. So I used a layering piece from the kit. The shoe is from JK Creates Co. And the little seashell is from the kit. And I'm taking this silver trim. It's from JK Creates Co. just to add some silver to that box. And I lost my ruler, so now I'm just having to freehand cut. And that thing did not want to come up. Alright, so I'm taking another piece of floral from the kit, and I'm marking that I did a YouTube upload. And here I'm just taking a piece of a box, and I cut it just to add some color to the box here. I'm not going to put anything there. I just wanted to. Oh, wait, no, I am going to put something there for the 23rd. Is that? Yes, on the 23rd, we got a new mower. So I'm just trying to get that piece off there. And I'm using this character from Shine Sticker Studio to mark that we got a new mower. And she's all happy. And I have to go back and see because I think I wanted to mark something on the 29th, but I didn't have a script to put there. So anyways, on Saturday the 5th, I went to the beach with my family in Ariel, which is my friend. And I knew I wanted to mark that because that was like our first time getting together, me and my friend, because we haven't seen each other in like almost a year. So I was very happy to see her. Putting in some more florals here and marking that we did some van maintenance on the 6th. And then on the 11th, my son went to the water park with the daycare, and I wanted to mark that. I like when he has fun at his daycare because I can mark it and make sure, you know, he is getting some form of activity, whether it be at home or in his daycare. So here I'm just marking again that we went to SeaWorld and using those florals again behind the box. And I'm just adding in some stem deco from Sadie stickers. On the 13th, I did a Plan With Me, and I'm marking that with a Picker Muse craft icon. I'm going to have to get some more of these soon. So I'm going back to add in my birthdays. So I had a birthday for my aunt. So I'm just scooting everything over. This cake, this butterfly cupcake or cake is from JK Creates Co. And I'm moving this up because my grandmother's birthday was on the 10th. And that happy birthday script is from the kit, and the other one is from me. I just printed it out. We had one more birthday, my brother-in-law's birthday, that we celebrated on vacay. I'm also marking down here that I got a fur baby. She was a Scottish Terrier Poodle, and she was black and white. And I'm saying she was because we had to take her back because we had an incident. You'll hear about that in one of my weekly Plan With Me's. And now I'm just layering this box with some florals behind it. And I wanted to use a frame box because I thought, why not? It was my first time watching an episode of Plans Changed, and I wanted to mark that really nicely. And I used a bouquet of flowers from JK Creates Co. And I cut up another one of her flowers just to get the rose off so I can add it to the 4th there, since we didn't really do anything. And then on the 12th, I added another piece of box there just to add some color. And then on the 1st, I just added some deco in for now until I make a script that says Hello June. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. This is my first time doing a highlight, and I really love it. This kit is by Sadie Stickers, June 2021. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.